Ever since our launch in March 2021, I have wanted to offer printed packaging for all of our patterns. When I started Rooney, I just had the hope to help other women find that same respite that I found in sewing. PDF patterns were the first step because they could be downloaded immediately and still give me time to stay home with my daughter. I've always wanted to offer paper patterns to ship to you because I know that feeling well of wanting to receive something tangible and being guided through the sewing process. After a lot of research, trial and error, and exploring our options, I'm so excited to launch a limited run of paper patterns for the holidays. Here's a small sneak peek behind the scenes of what the packaging looks like and how we got here. Most of the behind the scenes work was designing, formatting files, printing, researching packaging, finding manufacturers, and all of the stuffs like that. Things that are not necessarily fun to show because it's just me on my computer trying to figure this out. So this week we finally received the first run of paper patterns, and so I had to take the time and organize all of the patterns to be folded. My sister Alex had the great idea of using her Glowforge machine to create stamps. If you haven't heard of a Glowforge, it's a laser printer that can do it all basically. It can engrave on any material like leather, wood, or rubber, and any other material you can think of. So here is the laser cutting away at the stamp, which was pretty fascinating to watch. After the stamps were cut, I cut out a thin layer of craft foam and assembled it to a piece of wood. I'll leave the link below of the tutorial I followed for the stamps. After folding the patterns, I'm inserting them into their canvas bags. Later this week, we'll receive the little booklets that will go in the packages as well. Getting to this point took a lot of work. It looks like we are almost ready to launch our packaging in May. For some packaging where it's coming guys. But we had a really big setback. Looking back, I'm glad it did happen the way it did because I love this end product so much better. So I'm reminded yet again to trust the process and not get too caught up when something's not working out like I hoped. I'm stoked how these packages turned out, so I cannot wait to get them into your hands, to your homes, and to see what you make with them. My prayer is that you immerse yourself in the process of sewing and making something for yourself, your friend, or your little one. And as you do, I pray you'll find rest for your mind, body, soul, and feel so satisfied with your end product.